Hello everyone, in this video we're going to understand how to install Power BI Desktop on Windows machine. Before you start installation, you can go to google.com and search for download Power BI Desktop for Windows. Okay. So when you search for this keyword, you have to go to this second option. Okay. So this second option has got the downloads option with both the different scenarios. The very first one is download, which will directly open the software on Microsoft Store, which I would strongly recommend everyone to go with. Because when you install this via Microsoft Store, you would get a benefit of automatically getting the software updated on a monthly basis, right? So as you know already, Microsoft Power BI updates, so releases its updates on a regular basis, every monthly basis. So every month you need a newer version. So if you are going with the second option here, which is called as advanced download options, in this case, you have to manually install the software every month to get the latest version. Otherwise, if you are going with the first option, as a part of Microsoft Store, automatically your software will be getting updated, provided you check the automatic Windows updates on your Windows machine. Okay, so let us go with the first option. Okay, click on download. And as you can see, it says the site is trying to open Microsoft Store. So you can click on open so that it will open up the Microsoft Store. And you can also see the Power BI Desktop coming up as a installable file over there. So as you can see, it says install. So since it's not installed on my machine, so we can click on install and then simply wait for it to get downloaded. Usually it will take some time depending on the bandwidth of your internet. So once the software gets installed, you can see this option called open. So as soon as you click on open, you'll be able to see the Power BI Desktop starting on your machine. So this is how we install Power BI Desktop on Windows machine. So we'll also do one more thing. We'll go with the second option that I was talking about so that people who are kind of interested in installing with the second option can also see what would it look like. Okay. So when you open this tool for the first time, this is how it comes up. And so the second option that I was talking about is advanced download options. You click on advanced download options. That will take you to another place where you can download a specific .exe file. You can see here we have two files that you can actually download. One is Power BI Desktop Setup.exe and one is 64-bit version. So depending upon your machine, we can select this. Most of the machines nowadays are 64-bit versions. So we can actually go with the second option, download option here on the top. So that will give you those two options. I can select the second option and click on download. So again, it takes some time to download on your machine depending upon your bandwidth. As it shows here, it is 446 MB. So as you can see, it has got downloaded. This is the downloaded file. I wanted to install this on my machine. Double click on this file and then start our installation process. It's pretty straightforward. Everyone can install without any trouble. So let us quickly see what it is expecting us to enter. So basically we need to enter select language, which is English, and then click on next and click on yes. And you can click on next and accept, click on next. That's all. That's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward and everyone can install the software with ease. And this is a free software. You can go ahead and use it. There's no licensing required here to use the Power BI Desktop tool. The desktop version is absolutely free. So once the software gets installed, you can see the screen coming up like this. You can click on finish. And also there's the check mark to launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. So automatically that will launch the newly installed Microsoft Power BI Desktop. As you can see, whenever you install the software for the first time, this is how the pop-up shows up, right?